Welcome to the captivating world of embroidery, an age-old craft blending artistry with thread and fabric to create stunning visual narratives. Embroidery is not a mere pastime, it's a form of artistic expression that has traversed through civilizations, leaving its mark on countless cultures and epochs. Embroidery's history is rich, stretching back over millennia with the oldest evidence pinpointed in the wondrous tombs of ancient Egypt. Since its inception, embroidery has evolved to serve not just artistic ends, but practical purposes too, lending decorative flair to apparel, accessories, home decor, and much more. One cornerstone of modern embroidery is digital technology, and at the heart of this intersection is the PES Embroidery File Format. Pioneered by Brother Industries Limited, the PES format stands as a testament to embroidery's leap into the digital realm. The genesis of the PES format can be traced back to the 1990s, a revolutionary period for Brother Industries, who were among the forerunners in introducing digital embroidery machines to the world. These innovative machines demanded a bespoke file format, capable of seamlessly translating digital designs into tangible embroidery, and thus the PES format emerged to meet this need with precision and efficiency. Characterized by its binary encoding, the PES format is ingeniously compact, translating complex designs into a series of zeros and ones. This binary system is key, enabling the file to maintain a concise structure compared to other more verbose and text-heavy file formats. While an XML-based format articulates information in a series of text-based codes, the PES format's binary configuration offers a more streamlined approach, facilitating smooth operation within Brother's embroidery ecosystem. The PES format's brilliance extends beyond its compactness. It boasts the unique capability to house multiple design elements within a solitary file. The versatility of a singular PES file to encompass manifold designs or variations sets the stage for enhanced creativity and production efficiency. It's also an inclusive format, supporting a plethora of embroidery styles, from the sleek lines of satin stitches, the texture-rich applique, to the dense fill stitches, accommodating a broad spectrum of creative intentions. In terms of user experience, the PES format is celebrated for its user-friendliness. Its widespread compatibility with embroidery software positions it as a preferred choice among designers and embroidery enthusiasts. This ease of import and export across different programs has propelled the format to popularity, fostering an environment where designs can be exchanged freely and with minimal effort. Nevertheless, the PES format is not absent of constraints. Its proprietary nature ties it closely to Brother's embroidery machines, creating a bottleneck for users looking to branch out to other brands or machines not designed to interpret PES files. Such exclusivity can hinder the creative flow of embroiderers who wish to explore the capabilities of different technologies or software outside the Brother family. Furthermore, the PES format encounters a challenge when interfacing with Macintosh computers. While there are detours, like utilizing emulation software to bridge the compatibility gap, these solutions can be intricate and may not guarantee seamless performance for every user. In synopsis, the PES embroidery format has carved out a significant niche within the embroidery industry. Its mix of technical prowess and convenience has made it a mainstay among embroidery file formats. Despite having certain limitations, especially concerning its proprietary nature and partial Mac support, the PES format continues to dominate the preferences of many in the embroidery community and seems poised to maintain its prominence well into the future. Embark on a digital embroidery journey with the PES format, a medium that harmonizes the timeless art of embroidery with the efficiency of modern technology, echoing the intricate dance of needle and thread through the ages while embracing the cutting-edge potential of the digital world. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.